Cylinder head porting is a craft that sits at the crossroads of precision engineering and high-performance tuning. When done correctly, it can unlock substantial gains in horsepower, efficiency, and overall engine responsiveness. However, the process is filled with pitfalls that can turn a promising modification into a costly mistake. Understanding the most common errors is essential for anyone looking to improve their cylinder heads without compromising reliability or performance. Let's explore these mistakes in detail and learn how to avoid them. One of the most widespread misconceptions is the belief that simply making the ports bigger will automatically improve engine performance. In reality, over-enlarging the ports can have the opposite effect. While it's true that larger ports can increase the maximum airflow, this only benefits the engine at very high RPMs. For most street, and even many race engines, maintaining high air velocity is crucial, especially at lower RPMs where the engine spends much of its time. Oversized ports slow down the intake charge, leading to poor cylinder filling, sluggish throttle response, and a noticeable loss of low-end torque. The art of porting lies in balancing airflow volume and velocity, ensuring that the engine breathes efficiently across the entire RPM range. Another common pitfall is uneven porting. Cylinder heads typically have multiple intake and exhaust ports, and it's vital that each one is shaped and sized as closely as possible to the others. Asymmetrical or inconsistent porting leads to variations in airflow between cylinders. This inconsistency can cause some cylinders to run richer or leaner than others, resulting in uneven power delivery, increased engine stress, and even higher emissions. The solution is patience and meticulous attention to detail, measuring and matching each port to ensure uniformity throughout the head. One of the most destructive mistakes is damaging the valve seats during the porting process. The valve seat is a critical component that provides a perfect seal between the valve and the cylinder head, ensuring proper compression and efficient combustion. If you cut or grind too close to the seat while porting, you risk creating imperfections or even breaking through into the seat itself. This not only ruins the seal, but also requires expensive machine work or complete replacement of the valve seats, a repair that can quickly erase any gains made from porting. Always work carefully around the valve seats, using the correct tools and maintaining a safe distance from this sensitive area. Flow testing is another crucial step that is often overlooked. Without using a flow bench to measure the improvements, it's almost impossible to know if your porting efforts have had the desired effect. Eyeballing the ports or relying on internet templates can lead to wasted time and suboptimal results. Flow testing allows you to quantify the changes, identify bottlenecks, and refine your technique for maximum benefit. It's an investment in both knowledge and performance, ensuring that every modification moves you closer to your goals. Finally, it's important not to view porting as a standalone upgrade. The cylinder head is only one part of the engine's breathing system. Gains from porting will be limited if the intake manifold, exhaust headers, or even the ECU tune are not addressed as well. Porting should be part of a comprehensive approach that considers the entire airflow path, from the air filter to the tailpipe. Upgrading supporting components and tuning the engine management system will help you fully realize the benefits of your hard work. In summary, successful cylinder head porting is about precision, balance, and integration. Avoid the temptation to go bigger without considering air velocity. Strive for consistency across all ports. Protect the integrity of the valve seats at all costs. Use flow testing to guide your progress. And always think of porting as one piece of the performance puzzle. By sidestepping these common mistakes, you'll be well on your way to unlocking your engine's true potential.